Hey guys, welcome back to another video of Bloom Outdoors. So in this video today we are going to be installing inserts to put in for the tailgate right here. I already got them laid out. They're right here. Just the F-150 inserts for the tailgate. I got the black ones. So it should match everything else, like match this here, match the emblem, and just everything else, because basically everything on the truck is magnetic gray or black. So we'll be putting those in. Hopefully I won't screw it up and it'll look pretty good. The ones I got online, I bought the 7 Sparta brand. Hopefully it'll work fine. It says they're made in China and they're matte black. So should match everything else. I want to say it was like 40 bucks or so online. I'll leave a link for it down in the description below. So if you're interested, go check it out. But anyways, let's just get into it. First thing I'm going to do is I'm going to wipe this down, kind of get all the dust, dirt, anything that might be on the tailgate in this area off of here. And then we'll put the letters on. Alright, there we go. We got it wiped off. Should be good. Should be good to go. Does this line up right? I don't think it quite lines up on this piece of paper. Looks like it might be a little too far packed tight together. I like to put the whole thing on at once. So we might just have to go like letter and by itself, you know, like one by one on it. So I'll probably have to do that. Start by getting the F out. And it's just got this sticky stuff on the back of it, just as what you expected. Let's set this guy in here. Not gonna lie guys, definitely hard to put in, especially I think when you're doing it one by one like this. I think if the whole thing was the correct length, I think it'd be easier to do it all at once. Just gonna kind of press it down with my sweatshirt. And it's just like sticky stuff on the back side of it. So you should be able to take it off if need be. Like if you screw it up or put it on, realize you don't like it or something. Like I think I might have went a little too high up with it, because I feel like there's definitely a bigger gap down here than the top part. But I already stuck it on and pressed it down, so I'm not moving it. It looks fine. Looks good. I think that looks pretty cool. Let's just look at the difference here so far. I wasn't sure how I was going to feel about them. I kind of, like, at first I hated the cutout in the tailgate, but after a while it's kind of grown on me. I think I like it, so now I almost don't want to put them in, but I bought them a while back and I have them, so I figured I just as well put them in. If I don't like them, I can always take them out if I want to, like take them off. But there is the F. That's just comparison. I think it'll look pretty good though when it's done. Alright, let's get the rest of them put on. Alright guys, and there we go, just like that. It is put on. Like I said, at first I was kind of iffy about how they look. I still am kind of a little bit iffy about how they look. Like from back here on the camera, I think it looks really good because it just looks flat on it. When you come up over here, you can kind of see how it pushes out a little bit, but they don't push out too far. Like when I say that, I mean outside. They're not like, it's not like a piece of paper that's on there to where there's still an indent. It's actually like a piece that fits in there, and now that it's in there, that is the piece further out and the tailgate sits further back. But I don't know, I think it looks good. I think it looks pretty good. I was kind of iffy before. I'm still a little bit, but now after having done it, I think it looks pretty good. I think I'll pull it outside in just a second and look at it out there. But if you guys can tell what I'm talking about or not, kind of hard to tell, but you can kind of see how they stick out still a little further than the truck. But overall, I think it looks pretty good. I think it looks pretty good. Drop a comment down below. Let me know what you guys think about it. Let me pull the truck out real quick and we'll look at it in the light. There we go. I kind of tried to park so the sun's pointing straight at it. Kind of probably hard to hear me because of the wind out here. Pretty windy, but there it is. I think it looks pretty good. Like I said, at first I was kind of iffy about it, but after having seen it now, I think that it looks pretty good. I like the look of it. Drop a comment down below. Let me know what you guys think about it. As always, thanks for watching another video of Bloom Outdoors. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will catch you guys next time.